Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equals to 20. Because if I put this one gone here, 20 square plus 1, you got cos t square. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have cos t dt. So this one I will put in here and here. The x that is about cos t dt. So this one we have cos t square. The square root of cos t square, that is about cos t. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here and here. Now we need to simplify, and this one we have e to the power of t minus number 1. Next, I will put number 2 go outside. Next, we need to multiply by e to the power of t on numerator and denominator. So this one, that should be like this. Next, we need to put about negative e to the power of t. Later that we put back positive e to the power of t. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. So the integration of number 1, that is about t. Now we just focus on this one. So I will put about e to the power of t on numerator and denominator. So this one we can put e to the power of 3t minus e to the power of 2t. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change for u, and we have u to the power of 3. This one that is about u square. This one we change for u. E to the power of t dt we change for du. So this one we can put factorization by u square. And now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over u square, b over u, c over u minus 1. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about u minus 1. So capital A multiplied by u minus 1. About this one, it is missing about u and u minus 1. So capital B multiplied by u and u minus 1. The next one, that is about u square. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u square, we have b plus c. About u, that is about a minus b. About the numbers, we have negative 8. Now we need to compare coefficients. We don't have u square, so b plus c equals to number 0. This one number 1. This one positive number 1. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So we put A, B, C, go back in here. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to return back to this one. This one, that is about this one. About t, that is about shin t. So we need to find about the value of t, and that's about option of s. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So that should be about option of S, F and E. F and E, that is about number 1. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.